Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this wig with a curved needle. It's actually my first time using it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this wig I made is actually 10 inches frontal and 3 bundles 12 inches. I made it with a curved needle. It's actually my first time sewing in a frontal wig with a curved needle, because I've watched a lot of videos where people were saying it is better to use a curved needle to sew in a wig. It is better than a straight needle. So I think it's better though, but I'm just getting used to this this new way, because I'm used to straight needle. So I'm just getting used to this new way of sewing in wig with a curved needle. So guys, please bear with me, it's actually my first time. So guys, I have a lot of video on this channel, please go check them out. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, you are most definitely welcome to Miss Favor Beauty channel. And please do consider to subscribe and hit on the bell icon for notification, so you'll be notified anytime I bring a new video. So I have a lot of videos for skincare remedies and all that, how to get rid of fat and all that, reviews of website where you can get something from, where I have bought a lot of things from. So guys, I will be doing a new video on a new website. There's a review on a new website where I got few clothes from, and the clothes they came and they fit in perfectly, and the qualities were very okay, they were perfect. So guys, I will be doing that video very soon, so please subscribe, so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So this wig, I just sew in the lace frontal. Just as you can see on the video, I try to secure the lace frontal so that the wig will not loose. So I secure it very well. So when you are sewing in this lace frontal, when you are sewing in a lace frontal, just try to secure the edge so that it will not loose. So after sewing in after securing the edge, what I did was just to cut off the excess part. And so guys, what I did here is just to pin the lace down so that the wig will not move while I am making it. And at the back I also pin it down also. So I started sewing in the wig. This is actually 12 inches bundle. So while I was sewing, at the first place where I started from, I tried to secure it very well. You secure it very well so that it will not loose. And I also use another pin to pin the edge down so that it will be easier for me. And what I did, I didn't flip it because it's a lace frontal. When you flip it, it will not lie well. Maybe it might pop up. So guys, I don't want that, so I cut it at the edge. When I sew to the other side, I cut. When I sew to the other side also, I cut it. That way the wig will lie flat, it will not pop up. Okay guys, so that was what I did till the end of this video. So guys, please pay attention and do continue watching. I begin to
sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
I begin to I begin to
It's so special. Boy, it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure.